Hello, I'm going to compare TopstepX versus Tradovate, which is better for your trading style. So TopstepX type proprietary platform developed by Topstep, data feed, SIM2 funded, compatibility available on Windows, Mac and mobile devices, cost free during both the trading combined and express funded account phases, features, integrated trading view chart, limitations. Once you start with TopstepX, switching to another platform requires initiating a new trading combine. Tradovate is third-party trading platform, data feed, TQG, compatibility, accessible via Windows, Mac and mobile devices, cost free during the trading combine and express funding account phases, features, user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and integration with TradingView for enhanced analysis. Flexibility allows easier switching between platforms compared to TopstepX. So in conclusion, both TopstepX and Tradovate offer unique advantages tailored to different trading needs. TopstepX is ideal for beginners looking for a cost-effective integrated solution, while Tradovate caters to traders seeking advanced tools and greater flexibility. Your choice should align with your trading experience, desired features, and long-term trading objectives.